In this video we'll restart a computer. So I'm going to import OS. Let's import platform. So here I'm going to define shutdown function. So we'll check whether the system is Windows or Linux. So let's see platform.system equals Windows. So if it is Windows, we'll use this shutdown. Okay, so os.shutdown system, and we'll here put shutdown and -s. So this is for our Windows. So let's make else, or let's say elif statement. Okay. In elif we are going to put platform.system equals Linux, or let's say our platform.system equals Darwin. We'll put a colon over here. Then we'll make os.system shut down now. It's the -h now, and we will make a else statement for the unsupported systems. So I'm going to print OS not supported. So let's define a function for restart also. So we'll use the same code as above, so it is almost the same. So I'm just copying it and pasting it in the restart function. We'll just change here -s to -t, 0, -r and -f, and here we'll change shutdown to restart. Okay, so we'll put here reboot now, and then we will ask for a user input to check what the user wants. Either you want to shut down or restart the computer. So I am going to take the input in command variable. I am going to just put use /r/. This is for restart, and /s/. So if the user presses S, the system will shut down. And then we will make it lower. Now let's make a if statement. If the command is R, okay, so this will be for the restart. So we'll call the restart. Let's make a elif statement. Command is equals S. So we will shut down. Let's make a else statement. Print wrong letter. So now let's run the program. So it is saying R for restart and S for shutdown.